So today we're gonna delete this with the NRC fender eliminator kit with panigale V2. First we're gonna go ahead and remove the seat. Need a key. You're gonna insert it here. You're gonna twist it and remove the seat at the same time. Let me go ahead and do it. Alright, the seat is off. You're gonna have this tool right here. It's a 4 millimeter. Let's try it out. See if it's the size of the actual bolts in here. Yeah, that's the size. It's a 4 millimeter. You have your own key in there, so we're gonna go ahead and get those loose. Get those loose, and we're gonna make our way in here. Get those loose in the bottom, and we're gonna make our way back in there. Okay, once you have those two bolts off, put these two right here. You're gonna have one more in there in the middle. This one opens there, so you don't need to remove that one. Only the two on the side, 4 millimeter. This is this one right here. The middle is gonna clamp in there, right there. This is slides in, so you slide it back out. And when you slide in it, this plug, just take your time and unplug it. If not, when you're pulling it down, it will come off automatically. This one is down. Let me go next step. But this one is off already. See how it's looking already. Bam. So let me go next step. Okay, now to get the plugs for the signal lights. This one right here, and then you need the other one. So we're gonna head and open this one here, and those three in there. Alright, to remove those 4 bolts, this is the one you're gonna need. It's right in. Bam. The size is right here. Dark 20, T20. So let me get them loose and remove those. Alright, so once you open this is how you're gonna look. And you're gonna need this harness. See this harness right here? Because this one connects into here. Bam. Not this one. This one right here. Right there. So you need this harness. This one. And this one's right here. You got 3 plugs. 2 for left, right. 1 for the light or the license plate. So there's this one. Boom. 1, 2. On the third one, which is the light right here. So it's plug and play. All you gotta make sure is which one is the left, which one is the right. So, like this one. See what letter it has right here? It has the DX. I don't know what the heck is that. This is an XS. But obviously, you had this way, so this one is gonna be right side because it's behind, like here. So you see, right side, left side. So just keep in mind that, and save this little harness because you're gonna need it. Alright, so this is the harness I told you. You're gonna need this one. So this one is gonna go to the bike, which is the original there. This is those 2 black ones, and this one for the light, the last one. So that's how it is. There, boom. Let me try to set up the tripod right here. This one here, which this is the light. That one is gonna plug it in here. Boom, just like that. We have a light. The original. This is the original harness. So now, this one, I cut this one off so I can know this is the right side. Right side. This one right here. Gotta find a way which way it's gonna go. But if it's gonna go this way, if you're gonna go this way, this is the right. There's no way you can put it that way. It's gonna go like here. This one right here is the right side. So let me go ahead and put this one off. Zip tight. There. So that way, right side, I'm gonna go with the one I left without the sticker, which is this one. Look for the pin on here. Boom, plug and play. Next one here, it's left side. Boom, plug and play. So that's what it is. See your parts right there. The LEDs, left, right, and the one for the license plate. There. So now this one, you can either put them here, there, or right here, like here. You can either go here or all the way in, like right there. If you want to tack it, you want the plate there, but you want it right here, really right there. Boom. It's gonna work for me like that. Yeah. Alright, so once you plug everything in, you're gonna leave this one for the license plate light. This one, you're gonna leave it in the middle, tuck everything in. These two holes, you're gonna have to align this, that one there. So we're gonna put that one there. Watch. You can see the shade right here. So you just go right there. Boom. See the square there? Spot in the size right there. It fits right on in there. And there you're gonna have the holes. One there and one there. Put the bolts there and you're good to go. See how it sits? Bam. Alright, now your original bolts are these ones right here. They're gonna be way too long, so you're gonna have to replace those with the ones that came with the kit, which is the conic ones. Those right there. See they're conic? So put them in there and tie those down. They're conic. Let me tie those down. Remember, we're still hanging this one for the light. Alright, those bolts, the conic ones with the Allen key, those are 3 millimeters. This is a little tiny one. Sorry about my hands are dirty. But yeah, I was lazy to grab some gloves. That's how we're going. Ciao! It's already in. You can see right there. Bam! Alright, so once we have that on, place in there. We have that in there. To hold these ones here, the one I told you, the conic one, then this one here with the nut in the back. So first you have to set this one in, this one in there with the nut in the back with the 10 millimeters. The cables and everything is being tucked in there. So see how it looks. Looks better. Way better. Alright, so we're done. Bam. Let's try it. Open the switch. It's open. There's off right now. Let's make sure the license plate light is on. Yeah, it is on. Let's try the signal light. Left. Bam. Let's try the right. Right. Bam. Good. Awesome. Good. Good stuff. Thank you for watching. 2020 Panigale B2.